Working as a freelancer is difficult and intimidating, and the most difficult aspect is finding possibilities. Fiverr is one of the greatest marketplaces for generating additional cash and launching a side project while your big idea takes shape. This is a website where you may sell any service for as little as $5. In reality, this might be a terrific spot for novices who do not have enough money to put in their new venture. What exactly are Fiverr gig concepts? A gig is your personal advertisement page on Fiverr, where you may display the kind of items or services you can offer. On the website, you will discover a variety of categories from which to choose your gig. Keep in mind that you should be knowledgeable about the gig that you choose. What exactly is Fiverr? It is the world's largest digital services marketplace. It is a member-driven online community where people from all over the world offer their skills and abilities. If you have such abilities and wish to share them with others, this is the best platform for you.